Good morning, student. Welcome back in my housekeeping class. Today, I am going to discuss on the topic managing housekeeping staff. Regardless of the size of your hotel, your housekeeping staffs are the backbone of your hotel, as you all know. Without a clean environment for your guests to reside in or for the residence purpose, the chance of repeat business is less and bad review will be there for the guest. Your business will only survive if the clean and the managing of the room is in the highest standard. It does not matter how many stars your hotel have or how large or small it is. Your housekeeping staff should be trained to a higher level of quality and care to achieve the best result, so that standards should be used and can be reached. What standards should you follow and what can be included in the housekeeping training? A standard in the housekeeping department should reach. The standard you choose to set depend on the unique selling point of your brand. From a boutique hotel to a small family run hotel, your standard can be influence your housekeeping department. There are, however, some key aspect which your housekeeping department standards should typically have. First is the uniform, then equipment, then the product or cleaning chemicals, maintenance, laundry, communication, health and safety, fire protocol. The standard your hotel department should follow. First is uniform. Uniform achieves two purposes: to protect your staff from the stain and toxin which come from daily cleaning product using, and to give your staff a professional uniform appearances. Cleaning equipments from the trolley, mops, vacuum cleaner, brushes, brooms and commercial cleaning equipments. These items should also be used with the correct care and attention to their manufacturing guidelines. Means you have to follow the manufacturing guidelines of any chemical, any equipment which you are using. Product cleaning chemicals, correct product application and awareness of health and safety both for the staff and the surrounding guests. Product knowledge like the correct amount to use, ensure the product are effective but also that the product does not damage the surface they are being used on. Then the maintenance. Along the housekeeping team might not be actual doing the maintenance. It is their job to report issue to the maintenance and monitor their repair. From a broken television remote to a guest light furnitures, this awareness will help speeding up any requirement repair and also reduce the amount of guest complaint. Then the laundry. Depending on the size of the hotel, the housekeeping staff may not have to directly manage the laundry. However, if they do, it is wish that they understand the key function of correct laundry process. For in-room service, it's vital for the housekeeping staff to understand how to fold clothes in the room, make the bed, hang towels, etc. at a high standard. Then the communication. They may seem like a guest, but without following clear communication both between the housekeeping and between the other department in the hotel can suffer. From simple request through to detailed schedule instruction and late minutes changes, the communication will help bond the team and ensure the higher level of care and approaches in achievement. Then the health and safety. Health and safety. This day, when legally is there to protect the worker, the guest and those entering the premises, health and safety is the key to a long standard establishment and its success. It is not something that should be ignored, as both heavy fines and consequences could occur if it not taken seriously. Your entire team should be fully up to speed on the latest health and safety protocol. Fire protocol. Fire protocol simply to health and safety This is the key aspect that housekeeping teams should follow. If a fire does not occur, the guests will look to ask for advice and follow the staff themselves, so they should all be clean on the correct procedure. That's all. Thank you, student. We'll back in our next class.